Maybe you don't put me in the video. So.
Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today our Viking blood. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Brady.
And yes, our Viking blood is done. We started it 2 months ago almost. We started, I have my smart book with, here you can see a batch number. It's at 0004 and we started in the 20th of May. Today is the 15th of July. So almost 2 months. It's perfectly clear, it's done, and the fermenting was good.
Wine, Oda, or mead?
Mead, Viking blood.
It's the mead.
Cherry
Because
mead.
we took, I remember we made two last time from the cherry nectar.
We make 2 of the cherry nectar, but
not the Viking blood.
Where we make wine.
So this is different. Okay.
Wine and mead, we make the strawberries. Next week. The wine is starting to clear now. The meat is completely clear.
So this is just the Viking blood. Cherry nectar also we use?
Cherry nectar, we're using 2.5 liter cherry nectars and 700 gram honey. And the fruit, wine, yeast. So, let's see. Today I also have help for racking it. So
it will not fall and broke everything and throw everything like the last time.
And we have a new hydrometer. That's also broke the last time. Okay, we need the chair. Okay, I'm using both hands.
You can see the something on the bottom.
Yeah, the yeast.
The yeast.
It's really clear, or?
Yeah. So we will just use this Tupperware. We always Tupperware plastic container. Yes. We always use. This can cater inside for 4.5 liter, but this is only 3 liters, so we can put everything inside without spilling. And
it flows. Okay, we are done. We have a little bit less than 2.5 liters. And this one. There is still a lot, but it's become hazy. And in the ground, I don't know if you can see a good yeast taste, but this one is just so cloudy. Maybe it tastes good, but don't look good anymore. We also have here our gravity reading. I thought we're just using 13% yeast.
12.
I think the fruit wine has 13.
Okay.
But you will like it. 1.04.
And it's so winey flavor, color. It's so nice color. It's so really.
You can see it better when my wife put
blood
on
color.
Really nice red from the cherry nectar. Now you can show this better.
So this. It's really so good. It's really good, what do you call that, color now, and we will try. Yeah, it's so clear and red. And
but when I smell right, it smells a little bit fruity. And?
I don't know, you try first.
You try first. Yeah, it's really young alcohol.
I cannot, not so much smell the alcohol.
I can smell it. When you mix it a little bit, the young alcohol smell also goes away. Great cherry flavor. But young. But great cherry flavor.
Yeah, it's already finished?
It's completely done, I'm sure.
It's really young, that's what you said. It's not so alcohol. What is the percentage of alcohol of this?
I don't know, I need to my calculator.
So the one we use is not the percentage of the alcohol? That's
Let's just give us the sugar.
Ah, the sugar
The
label.
red sugar inside.
So it's not so dry, or it's not dry.
It's
A little-
1.04. It's a little bit dry.
A little bit dry, but we need to put more sugar in it.
I don't know. I think it's sweet enough. Or what do you think from the
It's
taste?
okay. It's okay.
We can put more sugar inside, of course. So my book said me we're starting with 1.110. This yeast can't read again. 13.3%.
It's really delicious. It's good. You can taste the fruit, a little alcohol,
It need to age a little bit.
yeah, I guess also.
But I think maybe a little bit more honey.
Mm-hmm.
We make it a little bit sweeter. I
Yeah,
don't know how much sweeter.
it's really nice. It's really
Or
good.
just because it's now so young.
I'm sure if it's not young, it will be so dry then. It will be taste
That
alcohol.
is a good argument. Okay, I will get the honey.
Delicious.
This one works perfectly the last time for back sweetening. But I don't know how sweet we want it. Difficult. The last time I put 3 in the
Coffee meat?
in the chocolate meat.
Chocolate meat?
Yeah.
You look so sad.
The chocolate meat, it was so
It was
delicious.
really, really delicious.
So maybe I just put 2.
Maybe. It's also not so bad. The chocolate meat that's already so dry. Or?
Yeah, the chocolate meat was completely dry. Okay.
It's nice because it has a big opening.
Yes, it's perfectly for back sweetening.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
If you used honey for like the start of your meat, you use honey and then you back sweetened it with sugar. It is possible.
It's possible. Of course.
What is the taste then?
Sweeter. The honey gives us more honey flavor. The sugar just gives us sweetness.
Because if you use it from the beginning with honey and then you just make one and then you said, I don't have loose anymore because I don't have honey anymore, then I have just table sugar. Then you can put table sugar.
And then put table sugar for back sweetening. Go wait and buy honey.
I can't wait.
Let's see how it will taste before we make gravity ready. It's a little bit more cloudy now.
It's just still... What?
Sweeter. Let's check so I have something to write.
Not high.
Not high, but sweeter. 1.10, just 10 or
10,
no, a little bit lower.
9.
12. So we're editing 8 points. I like the color. Color is not too cloudy. And I'm pretty sure with 14%. Okay, we prepare already here the bottles. 3 bottles plus small one. Because we have around 2.5 liters.
That is 3 liters. But,
The wine bottle just has 0.75 liters.
okay. Okay.
That's why.
That's not a Coke bottle.
That's a wine bottle.
Okay,
That's
so we
why.
will transfer it, we will bottle it,
Exactly.
so we can store it.
And we need this one again. Maybe you put it up. With both hands. We don't need this one because we don't have yeast in the ground anymore. Good, we
This
always
is more
can-
faster, or not? Or just the same?
Just the same. You want?
Make like that. Pretty?
Nine. That looks good. Now. Now it works. So we have 3 big bottles.
Last
small
one
bottle.
small.
The last one not completely full, but the other one in a good level. So, and they taste nice.
Yeah, it's
Just
really
a little
good.
bit sharp in the alcohol.
Yeah, you can taste the alcohol, the cherry in it, the honey, the wine, yeah, it's really.
But I'm pretty sure
Good
in a half
taste.
year it's a really delicious meat.
Hmm.
So we need to try it again.
Yes.
And if you like the video, there are 2 more you can watch. One YouTube think you will like, and the other one is the last video where my chocolate meat fall. And yes, we see you the next time.
Bye.
Bye.